Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can see who visited your Instagram profile. So usually the people you tend to talk a lot are checking your profile and the Instagram algorithm picks on that. Even if you don't talk with them, they will be suggested in your direct messages. For example, check this out. I have some people here. Real Madrid of course is not, but it's the post over here, so ignore that. And this could be a list that people are checking my profile. And this is a way you can find some people that check your profile. Even with a professional dashboard, you can't really know for 100%, but this is the method I'm using. I'm using the direct messages and see the suggested ones. The ones I think that they are checking me. Another method I think it works could be seeing your highlights, clicking on it, but you have to have the highlight for less than 24 hours because otherwise you won't see the ones who visited you. Usually it's the ones besides your likes. So that's it. So if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.